Tesla's rolling out an over-the-air software updates to fix the glitch, which affects certain Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Tesla's recalling over 321,000 vehicles over a software glitch causing the taillights on some cars to illuminate improperly, via Reuters. According to a filing with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the recall covers certain 2023 Model 3 vehicles and 2020 to 2023 Model Y vehicles. Tesla says the rear lights on one or both sides of the vehicle may intermittently illuminate due to an issue that may cause false fault detections during the vehicle wake-up process. The NHTSA says this could increase the risk of a collision in dark conditions, but Tesla hasn't received any reports of injuries or accidents related to this problem. Like most Tesla recalls except this one affecting the Model 3 seat belt buckles, the company's addressing the issue with an over-the-air OTA software update.